how to do French tips using gel polish with the Sarah Nailer Academy. Place your gel polish onto the tip of the nail, making sure you seal the free edge and the side walls of the nail. Place it in and around the shape that you want. Then clean off your gel brush in some swipe or nail varnish remover. Wipe off the excess liquid on a lint-free pad so that you don't have any little bits of cotton wool or anything. So stick your brush into some swipe, wipe off on a lint-free pad so that you don't flood with too much liquid, and then pull in your brush sideways across that smile line. You'll get a nice sharp smile line. Do this as many times as you need to make sure that you've got the nice sharp smile line that you want and the shape that you want. Then put the nails under the lamp for 30 seconds and go on and do the next nail. As a beginner, I recommend that you do 1 or 2 nails at a time, put them under the lamp so that you don't make any mistakes. Follow me for more tips on how to nail it in the hair and beauty industry.